Hey guys, we are in San Cristobal, a little stopover on our way to Tuxtla Gutierrez. We drove about 4 hours to get here. Unfortunately, we were heading somewhere else, but got turned around, but that's just fine. We're gonna have a quick look at San Cristobal and we'll show you some stuff. The population here was 200,000 at an elevation of 2,000 meters.
I knew it was a 2.
Yeah. All right, guys, we'll show you some quick clips here. Thanks. Reverse the shot. Oh no, he didn't. Hey guys, we're just checking out a waterfall here called Chorreadero. On the way. Here we go.
It is right here. Okay.
Pretty cool, guys. Hey guys, we are at the Hilton Garden Inn in Tuxtla Gutierrez. It's actually our anniversary today, so we're kind of having a little treat for ourselves. Thank you, darling. It's actually a pretty good rate here. We're getting a rate of about 63 Canadian dollars a night. We're staying for 2 nights, and we'll hopefully have some adventures tomorrow. So a quick room tour. We got a nice 2 queen-size bed, big TV, office area, good internet. We got a fridge, coffee, microwave. We haven't been getting that in a lot of places. And, you know, a really nice bathroom, an actual shower, and a tub. And that's it for this little tour. We'll see you in the next one.